Yeah, I'm gonna make a bench out of this pallet here. That in conjunction with maybe a couple of those. All right, these are some of the slats from that pallet, and just kind of roughly putting this together. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut 45s and fit up these corners nice. That would get a better fit. Could do it like that, but I think I'm gonna go 45s. What I'll do is I'll take a pencil and just kind of scribe a line in which direction the 45s are gonna go. I'm just tacking together the corners with this here. Okay, so now the box, just cut slats to fit right down in here. I got a flat surface I'm working on, and so I just cut all my slats here and nail them in like that. This will be my kind of my top surface there. I gotta fix this corner. That's kind of the idea. It took me about an hour to get all the nails out of these things for my legs. All right, I'm gonna make the legs 18 inches. All right, cut the legs for these things. That pine smells good. Putting some longer brad nails in for these legs. Okay, and in going with this design, I need to run a strip along here. So when people sit on this, it doesn't buckle. So I've got it nailed in pretty good. It still needs a strip.